Most people fail at cybersecurity before they ever type a single line of code. They think hacking is about downloading a magic script, clicking a button, and suddenly seeing green text scroll down a black screen. It's a lie told by movies. Real hacking isn't about the tools you use. It's about how your brain processes a problem. It's an obsession with understanding how things are built, just so you can find the one loose thread that reveals weaknesses inside a system. If you want to survive and thrive as a bug bounty hunter or an ethical hacker in 2026, you don't need a high-end setup. You need to shift your brain from a regular consumer to a digital builder. Welcome to part 1 of the Ultimate Beginner Hacking course. Today, we are breaking down the hacker mindset, the legal boundaries, and exactly how we are going to build your foundation. Let's get started. Before we touch a terminal, let's establish the truth. There are 2 paths you can take with this knowledge. The first path is clicking on things you don't own, breaking laws, and eventually watching your career end before it starts. The second path is the path of the ethical hacker, finding critical vulnerabilities in multi-million-dollar platforms legally, protecting users, and getting paid rewards for your work. On this channel, we only walk the ethical path. We are going to use real enterprise-grade learning environments like the Portswigger Web Security Academy and localized sandboxes like DVWA. You will see exactly how real-world systems are tested, analyzed, and secured entirely within safe, legal boundaries. To think like an attacker, you must develop 3 core traits. 1. Curiosity. Over-execution. A normal user looks at a login page and types their username. A hacker looks at a login page and asks, "What happens if I send 1,000,000 characters at once? What happens if I manipulate the data traveling between my browser and the server?" You must become obsessed with the input and output. 2. Comfort with failure. You will try 100 payloads, and 99 of them will fail. In hacking, failure isn't a mistake, it's data. Every time a system says access denied, it is telling you exactly what boundary you need to understand next. 3. Continuous learning. The landscapes change daily. Security patches roll out constantly. The tools we use change, but the foundational protocols, how data travels, remain the same. Master the foundations, and you can adapt to any technology. This isn't just a single video. This is a comprehensive, structured 12-part blueprint designed to take you from absolute zero to writing professional bug bounty reports. Here is how our journey looks. We start with the foundations, mastering the Linux terminal, decoding network protocols, and dissecting how the web speaks via HTTP requests. Then we build our lab using Burp Suite, move into reconnaissance to discover hidden functionality, and dive deep into manual vulnerability analysis like XSS and IDOR. Finally, I will show you how to turn those findings into real revenue by documenting them like a seasoned professional. You don't need a computer science degree. You just need to follow this sequence step by step. Your very first assignment before the next video is simple. Commit to the process. Drop a comment below saying, "I'm ready," to lock in your focus. In the next video, we are leaving the theory behind and stepping straight into the command line. I'm going to show you why Linux is such an important tool in cybersecurity and the top 10 commands that every security researcher should know to navigate a file system efficiently. I'm ACW360. Subscribe to the channel, add this playlist to your library, and I'll see you in part 2.